Hi friends, now we are going to see second part of Azerbaijan tour. We hope that you like first part of Azerbaijan tour. It's little bit long, that's why we divide other parts in two more partition. So please enjoy the Azerbaijan tour video. If you not subscribe our tour, please subscribe, share and like this video with your friends. Hi, good morning. We are passing nearby World Cup football ground. Now our car is passing through the very beautiful and long express highway of Baku. As of now, our car running speed is 160 kilometers per hour. It is a 4-lane track both sides. Baku Heydar Aliyev Center is a famous tourist place of Azerbaijan, Baku. Inside of this museum, there is a small car museum also, and this is icon of Baku. This is a tourist photography spot also. So tourists come here and enjoy inside beauty and photography. Heydar Aliyev Center. Superb view of the Baku city. See the beautiful view of the Azerbaijan Baku city, and we are at now Heydar Aliyev Center. A huge construction. Very beautiful view. Beautiful view from Heydar Aliyev Center. This is another tourist destination of Baku, Fire Mountain. This Fire Mountain is more than 2000 year old as per history of Azerbaijan. These fires comes automatically natural way 24 hours any season. To understand this place, we always take a guide from here who explain in very detail how this fire will generate. So whenever tourists come here, we suggest take a local guide from this Fire Mountain Museum. Beautiful. See the place, whole place. Anytime fire will generate here. Now we coming to Fire Temple. First we take entry ticket, which is of 5 to 10 mannat as per the tourist. This Fire Temple is also 3 to 4,000 years old. As per history of Azerbaijan says, before so many years before, Hindu community and other community people come here and pray their god. This temple have inside natural fire like our diya and aarti. So many Hindu people come this place on many occasions. Now we coming to the other famous destination, Baku Upperland Park. can see the huge and big view of Baku city. From here you can see the upper view of Baku. From here we can see the Flame Tower, Lotus Mall, Baku Ferry Wheels, Caspian Sea, and funicular ride station. This is also cafeteria is here. Very beautiful place and photographic best place. Whenever you come here, wear sunglass and cap. Always very sunny here and high wind is there. So take a woolen cap with you. See the beautiful Baku city from Upperland Park. This is the Flame Tower. At the night time, these all three towers lightning for 10 to 15 minutes, which is showing amazing. See the beautiful view of the Baku. This is funicular ride station. This time that ride is not working, so we're not able to take a video of that ride. This is other famous mosque there. Now we come to famous Boulevard Road. Very beautiful walking track on that side. This famous Baku Ferry Wheels, famous Lotus Mall come on this road. On this road vehicle is not allowed here to go by walk only. Here you get a bicycle on the rent. So a very enjoyable ride if you do bicycling here. This is the carpet museum. We can see the carpet museum in our next video, part 3. Very beautiful Boulevard Road. Now we are going to see the Little Vanier. See the outside view of the carpet museum, Baku.
Did you like inside?
Yeah, it's very good, very good.
And you see how big is this?
It's very big and very long to walk inside.
Yeah.
They have the escalators, no problem.
Wow.
And see the Flame Tower from here. The Little Venice, where you can enjoy the boating like Venice style. Now the white pigeon is take the swimming, you know.
Sen işte yenisiz. Ne yapıyorsun? Hara gelsiz? Ha. Nauşnik'tasınız. Tamam, Samka'ya zəng gəlir, sənə qurban. Nəm, Samka nəsə telefonunu götürməm, Samka sənə zəng gəlir, danışmaq istəyirsən. Yaxşı, danışıq.
Only 4 people can sit or 3 people?
4 people next to each other. For example, 4 from that side, 2 from that side, 2 from this side.
See the beautiful view of the Baku city, the amazing place. Now I entered to the Baku city. Now going to my hotel. that lamp tower light is not on.
One hour after.
Okay. What time?